Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about how to find functions to use in Matlab. The point of this tutorial is to teach you guys how to find Matlab functions without having to go on Google or the MathWorks website. So in order to do that, one of the things you need to know is that you cannot access this, or at least as far as I know, you can't access this from by just having the command window. You have to actually go in and create a new script so that you can have this editor, publish, and view tab show up within Matlab. So in order to find these functions, which I guess you could just search up here for a function, but there's this handy tool over here next to the insert in the edit section of the editor tab that says FX. So if I hover over it, it says functions. Okay, so if you click that, a list of different categories shows up that are basically all the functions that are available to you, and it's based on what you've actually installed in Matlab. So looking at Matlab, there's different options like language fundamentals, mathematics, graphics, a bunch of stuff like that. But let's just look at something simple. Okay, so say we want to do elementary math and we want to do arithmetic, and there's a plus function. Okay, so up until now we've just been using the plus sign in order to add things. Okay, we have one thing and we add something else to it, and we define the value that gets stored in. Okay, but what if I told you could actually use a Matlab function to do that? So the Matlab function is actually doing the same thing as the plus operator. So this plus is actually a function that's defined as whatever is inside of this plus Matlab function. So the plus function actually works by inputting A and B within parentheses separated by commas, and then your output gets outputted into the variable C. Okay, so there's other options minus, you can actually go back and look at linear algebra and matrix decomposition. There's a bunch of stuff you've probably never heard of. Okay, but the point is you can look for the functions that way, or you can actually come up here and look for the function as well. So say you wanted to add. Okay, there's an add function. I guess I was kind of looking for plus, but here's plus, which does addition. So over here on the right hand side, it kind of tells you what each thing does. Say you wanted to do the Fourier transform. You look up Fourier and you see all the different Fourier transform functions that are available to you. There's FFT2, FFT, IFFT. You get the point. There's a lot. Okay, so if you actually wanted to use one of these functions, you could double click it and it would show up on your editor. And once again, I just wanted to reiterate that over here on the right hand side, it's going to tell you the basics of the function and what the function is. And if this is not enough to tell you how the function works, you can also click the more help link that's over on the top right hand side, and that'll provide you with more information so that you can use the function effectively. So here, just to prove that the function will show up when you double click it, there you go, it's on our script. Okay, so sadly if you want to use it in the command window, I think you have to type it, but at least you can find the information using this function option in the editor tab. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that briefly with you guys. I hope that helps you in the future. It'll be a significantly better way to look up your functions instead of Googling them. I don't know if I should say that because Google's awesome, but hopefully that works and that helps you guys out a little bit. Let me know if you guys didn't understand anything, and I'll be sure to try to clarify that for you. See you guys next time.